ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Welcome back to the second channel. So this is going to be a very simple how-to. We're going to go ahead and actually replace these amber lights that we have down here with some nice cool white LEDs that we got for it. So you can go ahead and see it's very simple, but a lot of people may not know it's just 2 simple screws on each one, so total 4 screws. So let's go ahead and pop those out. So go ahead and get one. There's one right here. Alright guys, so it's very simple. There's a little tab right here, so I just have this little thin piece. Go ahead and poke it in and just kind of pop it out, and there you have it. This is basically how you can look at it real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and just replace this really simple. Pop it out. Again, it's plastic, so it's not gonna short it out or anything like that. We don't want this amber one. We'll keep it because it's actually a stock one. It still works, just in case we ever need it. So this is the ones I went with. I got them from AutoZone. So you go ahead and see the cool white. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace one, and then we'll leave the other one in still. And we're gonna go ahead and see the side by side. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one in by itself again, so that way we can see side by side what they look like. Okay. All right, simple enough. So let's go ahead and see the side by side. So you can definitely see the cool white, how actually it looks a lot better than just the plain old amber, especially with the taillights that we had right here. We're gonna have to do the taillight conversion. This is a 2011 Shelby GT500, as you go ahead and see by the bumper. So again, the side by side, you can go ahead and see the left one is the cool white. So let's go ahead and change both of them out. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just pull it out in the street real quick. Alright, there you guys have it. Way better than the ugly ambers that it comes with. So very simple. It should take no more than 15 minutes, honestly, to switch them out. And you guys saw the actual part number, so you can go ahead and pick it up yourself at AutoZone if you want, or you can go whatever color you want to go with. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Really appreciate you guys watching the second channel. Go ahead and subscribe to the main channel if you are not yet subscribed to it.